YouTube channel से हो रहा सब लोगों से बात करेंगे AMFI Data Mutual Fund SIP inflows surged to record raise 31,002 crore in December. Monthly mutual fund SIP inflows hit a fresh record high in December, with contribution reaching to raise 31,002 crore compared with raise 29,445 crore in November. SIP contribution increased 5% month on month and 17 year from raise 26,459 crore in December 24. SIP assist stood at raise 16.63 lakhs crore in December 2025, accounting for 20.7% of total mutual fund assist. The number of contributing SIP account rose to 9.78 crore in December from about 9.43 crore in December. Retail mutual fund files, equity, hybrid, and solution-oriented schemes stood at 27,86,198 in December 2025, up from in December. Retail AUM across these categories stood at rest 47 lakhs 35,764 crore in December 25. Total mutual fund files rose to 26 lakhs 12,053 on December, with 26.40 lakhs net files added during the month. Files in December 2025 stood at 25,86,320. The mutual fund industry net AUM stood at ras 378.99 crore in December 2025, compared with ras 369.52 crore in November 2025. The average AUM for December 2025 was ras 81.98,944.33. As of December 2025, the Indian mutual fund industry AUM stood at ras 80.23 lakhs crore. The moderation was primarily driven by debit fund outflow for liquidity management and limited market-related valuation charge. SIP monthly contribution touched an all-time high of over 31,000 crore, taking SIP assist to raise 16.63 lakhs crore, said Venkat Salasani. On a YOS basis, industry AUM grew 19.90%, reflecting increased participation and the continuous adoption of mutual fund across investor segments. He added. SIF assist stood at 4,922 crore December 2025. The category saw inflows of 1,953 crore, with hybrid strategy impacting 1,571 crore.